Welcome back to the channel. Well, this might be one of the stupidest things I've ever done. So it's Thursday, 11 in the morning, and apparently there is a tornado watch in effect. So I checked the radar before I left the house, and that's Highway 7 there. If I can turn the camera around here. So yeah, that's Highway 7 there. Carlton Place is that way. The radar shows that it's coming from that direction. They say it should be on top of us at about 11:45, and I hope to get the hell out of here before it gets here. But anyways, I thought I would try and do a time lapse on the GoPro of the clouds coming in, and maybe possibly catch some amazing photographs. But the odds of that are probably pretty slim. But it doesn't look like much now. It is quite windy. You can hear the highway there. It's really loud. So I'm gonna set the GoPro up now to do a time lapse, and maybe we'll catch something. Who knows? Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. So yesterday was a waste of time. I don't know if I'll be including it in this video, but because I haven't checked the shots out when I got home, but we had a major storm go through here, the Ottawa area yesterday, and there was some tornadoes in Barrhaven. Did a lot of damage, and I tried to capture the storm as it was coming in. I did a time lapse with the GoPro. Not sure if that turned out. Anyways, I felt like it was a waste of time, but today it's overcast now, but I came up here to Hog's Back in Ottawa. I've already been up at the falls and captured some long exposure shots with the Nissi 6-stop with the polarizer on. And I just caught some shots here of the dry rock bed. And I can hear the rapids over there, so I'm gonna go over there and check it out and see if I can get some long exposure shots of the rapids over there. So not really sure where else I'm gonna be going there in the next little while, but I've always wanted to come up here. Kind of picked a pretty good day because it's overcast now. It was really sunny and overexposed earlier on. And it was sunny when I got here, but the clouds moved in, and I think I got some pretty good shots. I'll probably focus stack because I took photos of different areas of the falls. There was a rock wall that just looked really amazing, just the way the water has shaped the rock over the years. But so hopefully those shots turn out. All right, so I'm gonna try and go over here and do the rapids and see what I can get. So I'll talk to you on the next video, so hit the thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.